Having faith and putting your money where your mouth is and putting your actions into it, or your faith into motion, and believing, you gotta believe in yourself first. If you don't let the water in the boat can never sink. No matter how rough the ocean get, water gotta get in the boat for the boat to go down. I ain't take the praise to the head, and I ain't get down on myself when they was talking crazy. And when it looked like, shit was fucked up, I ain't quit. And when it looked like, we did it, I ain't celebrate to the point of like stopping the work. I heard somebody say some real shit, just cause you scored a touchdown don't mean you won the game.